As a first-time buyer looking forward to own a property right here in the city of Enugu, and you don't know how to start, now in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can own a property right here in the city of Enugu as a first-time buyer. So if you get to watch this video to the end, and ensure you that you are going to gain value from this video, and you are going to own your first landed property safely without you being a victim of land scam. So first is, when you are trying to buy property right here in the city of Enugu, you need to know why you are buying that property. So you need to, first is your why. Why do you want to buy that property? Are you buying the property for investment, or you are buying the property for the sake of building? Now, if you are buying the property for investment, you are going to ask yourself, how many years do I want the investment to last? Is it 5 years or 6 years? So that you should know whether you are going into long-term investment or short-term investment. And also, if you are buying into a property where you can buy and build, you should ask yourself, is it where I can buy and start building now, or is it where I can buy and start building in the next 4 to 5 years? Because of, there's some property where if you buy into that property and you do not start building immediately, they are going to revoke your land for you. So it is important to ask this question before you start investing in any property right here in the city of Enugu. Second is your budget. You need to have a particular budget on your mind that you want to use to invest in, because your budget is what you can use to invest in. Your budget can be, if you are looking for to invest, for example, you want to buy property for the sake of investment, your budget can be from the rate of 1 million naira and above. But if you are looking for to buy a property where you can buy, build, if you are looking for you can buy and build immediately, your budget should be from, depending on the location, your budget should be from 15 million naira to and above. And if you are looking for it to can buy, build the next 4 to 5 years, your budget can start from 7.5 million naira, 10 million naira and above. Because of Enugu currently has changed. Development is happening every day in Enugu, and the property you think is affordable today will not be affordable tomorrow, because of infrastructural development is happening in Enugu every day. Thirdly is location. You need to know the location where you want to invest in if you are looking for to own a property right here in the city of Enugu. It's the same square meter, it's the same plot size, but location is different. Some people want to buy property in an undeveloped area. When once development start happening in that location, they can resell the property or they develop that property. Why some want property in the location that is already developed, where people are already living in, where they can buy, build, either for rental purpose or for short-let apartment purpose. Now, this location comes with their own prices. So if you are looking for to own a property right in the city of Enugu, you should be certain about the location you want to invest in, and that is why you need why you want to invest in that property. Fourth is, go for a physical inspection. After you must have know why you want to buy that property, the location, your budget in your hand, you need to go for a physical inspection. You need to inspect that property you are looking for to invest in. You need to know if that location actually what you want. One, if the property is actually genuine, if that property is free for government acquisition, if that property is free from litigation. That is the reason why you need to go for inspection. You need to see that property yourself, so that someone will not ended up selling you an audio land or a land that belongs to someone. Fifth, which is the final one, after going for a physical inspection, you can make payment for that land, and immediately you make payment for that land, ensure that you get your documentation, you get your deed, you get your survey plan, you get your acknowledgement of receipts, so that your investment is going to be safe. And if you are looking forward to own a property right here in the city of Enugu, especially as a first-time buyer, you don't want to go through these steps. You just need somebody that's going to help you and get to the right property in the right location that is going to suit your budget and also your investment purpose. I can help you out. All you have to do is to reach out to me right now on the number you see showing on your screen on 07067283262, and I'm going to get to the best property in the right location right here in the city of Enugu. I am Freddy Chinonso, your real estate friend based here in the city of Enugu, and my goal is to make sure I give you safe and profitable real estate transaction right here in the city of Enugu. Call or WhatsApp the number you see on your screen, and let me help you to get your first landed property right here in the city of Enugu.